Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Beehive Lodge. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are free Wi-Fi, skiing and a free parking. Offering free Wi-Fi and mountain views, Beehive Lodge is a property located in Big Sky. The vacation home is in an area where guests can engage in activities such as skiing and cycling. With 4 bedrooms and 4 bathrooms with a hot tub and a bath or shower, this vacation home comes with a cable TV and DVD player. There's a seating area, a dining area and a kitchen complete with a dishwasher, a microwave and a fridge. Big Sky Mountain Village is 1.6 miles from the vacation home, while Big Sky is 3.2 miles from the property. The nearest airport is Ennis Big Sky Airport, 32 miles from Beehive Lodge. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.